If you're looking for an efficient way to use Browse AI for market research, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you how the software can revolutionize your market research efforts, saving you time and providing insights that would take hours to gather manually. Stick around to the end because I've got an exclusive offer for you, an extended free trial you won't find anywhere else. Browse AI is a powerful tool that allows you to automate the process of web scraping, making it incredibly useful for market research. Instead of spending hours browsing through websites and manually collecting data, you can set up custom workflows and let Browse AI do the heavy lifting for you. Whether you're tracking competitor prices, analyzing customer reviews, or gathering product information, this tool has you covered. One of the best things about Browse AI is how simple it is to use. You don't need to have any coding experience to get started. It's designed with a user-friendly interface that allows you to point and click to create your data collection tasks. Just point to the elements you want to scrape, and Browse AI will automatically learn how to extract that data across multiple pages. It's that easy. Market research with Browse AI can give you access to insights you might otherwise miss. For example, let's say you're looking to track product trends in a specific niche. With Browse AI, you can set up a task to scrape product details from hundreds of e-commerce sites, pulling real-time data on prices, availability, and even product descriptions. This gives you the advantage of staying ahead of the competition without doing the legwork yourself. The real power of Browse AI comes in its automation features. Once you set up your task, Browse AI can run it on a schedule, pulling fresh data as often as you need. Whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly, the software will do the work for you, ensuring that you always have the most up-to-date information at your fingertips. Another key feature is its ability to extract data in multiple formats, such as CSV or Excel. This means you can easily download the results of your market research and import them into other tools for analysis. Whether you're creating reports or performing deeper analysis in Excel, Browse AI makes it seamless. Now, you might be wondering about pricing. Well, the best part is that you can start using Browse AI for free by clicking the link below. Not only will you get access to the software, but I've also secured an exclusive extended free trial for you, which will give you more time to explore all of its features. Browse AI is especially useful for businesses that need real-time market insights to make quick decisions. If you're working in e-commerce, digital marketing, or even managing a business that relies on market trends, this tool is a game changer. Instead of waiting for data to trickle in, you can automate the process, making sure you always have the insights you need when you need them. Remember, Browse AI is free to use right now, thanks to the link below, and with the exclusive extended trial, you'll get even more value out of the software. So, if you're ready to take your market research to the next level, give Browse AI a try today and see how it can save you time, give you deeper insights, and help you make better business decisions.